Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yassine from Man Style, and today I will be doing a try and haul of the items that I got during the 2020 summer sale. In France, the summer sales usually start in the mid of June and they last for 1 month. This summer, and due to the corona crisis, they have been postponed for a month, so they started in the mid of July. For me, the sales are the perfect opportunity to get my hands on those items that I long had on my wish list for cheaper prices. In this video, I will be showing you 6 of the items that I got during the sale, so without any further ado, let's start. Items that I want to show you guys and that I got during the sale are 2 pairs of Tommy Hilfiger chinos. Now we all know that a chino is a timeless piece that every man should have in his closet. They can easily be incorporated to different styles and looks, and that's what I like about them. When it comes to the fit, these are pretty fitted pants, yet they are very comfortable. They are 98% cotton, so they feel very smooth. As far as the colors are concerned, I picked this shade of blue for the first pair, and for the second one I picked this light purple color, which is one of the trendiest 2020 summer colors. We've seen it on the runway of many high fashion designer collections this summer. For the pricing, these were 70% off. They were at 35 euros each, so it was pretty irresistible not to get them. As you can see, I've styled these with just a simple black t-shirt and a pair of white sneakers, and they look and feel pretty fantastic to me. The next item I want to show you guys is this black cotton t-shirt from Valentino. Now this has been on my wish list for so long, and when the opportunity presented itself, I just jumped on it. I came across this in Vis-a-Vis Aroma for 50% off, so I just got them without any hesitation. Now this V-logo from the house of Valentino is getting popular by the minute. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see more of these t-shirts in the next seasons. Now, as you can see, I've sold this t-shirt with a simple beige shirts and white sneakers, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Ideal for summer. The next item I want to show you guys is this Balibaris t-shirt. Balibaris is a French brand that are very known for their classic, simple and chic design. This is a color that I don't have in my wardrobe. It's a good quality t-shirt, it's 100% cotton, and it's very comfortable. This smooth top color is perfect for every season and can be styled with different other colors. Now, as you can see, I've styled this with a simple pair of black jeans and white sneakers, and they look absolutely gorgeous. I also styled them with a pair of beige shirts, and they look gorgeous as well. The last 2 items I want to show you guys both come from the brand Sandro. Sandro is a French brand that's known for its classical cuts and designs with a touch of craziness and trendy. And that's exactly what I love about them. They are also known for the quality of the materials they use in their clothing. The first item that I got from Sandro is this simple cream color polo. As you might have guessed, I love all the color shades from white to beige. I love this part of the spectrum. They are my favorite colors when it comes to man clothing. The second item that I got from Sandro is this dark blue shirt with gray stripes. It's a very classic shirt with short sleeves. When it comes to the fit, it's a relaxed fit. A little bit oversized, which I love. Again, 100% cotton, so it's very smooth and comfortable. And as you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now the shirt needs a little bit of steaming. I'm sorry about that. I haven't had the time to do it since I bought it. Guys, this concludes today's video. Let me know what you thought of today's haul in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram. Have a good day and see you on the next video.